Greetings, my name is Anton, and I'm an organometallic chemist. I make matters more complicated, this time around, with metals. And here is my pet brick of gold. Beautiful, absolutely priceless, but ultimately a little bit useless. Sure, it will never tarnish, but is this really it? Well, for starters, gold is a very nice material to work with, so you can do quite a lot of stuff with it, like jewelry or microchips. But what about chemistry? Well, as it turns out, there's a little bit of chemistry going on the surface of our brick. Granted, very elementary chemistry, like reduction of gases, but that's a start and an immediate end, because that's about as much as we can get away with elemental gold. To do something truly outstanding, we have to go beyond elemental. You might object, gold is a noble metal. It's supposed to be inert. Well, I have to say, there's something called aqua regia, or royal water, which tends to disagree and just dissolves everything, including gold. Congratulations, you have dissolved 60,000 francs in a beaker. Now what? Well, now this gold is bound to other atoms, or is a part of something that is called a complex. And depending on what you bind to this gold, molecules or ions, you can do some truly outstanding transformations. Well, I have to admit, gold is a little bit more niche, it's a little bit more laboratory use, but this principle applies to all the other noble metals. Just to name a few, ruthenium complexes are an absolute must if you want to produce any kind of polymer, or as we know it, plastic. Rhodium is king if you want to transform gases into feedstock chemicals. And my personal favorite, palladium, has turned medicinal chemistry into Lego, saving millions of lives. And the cool part is that you need a little bit to do a lot, because most of these reactions are catalytic, meaning you need grams to convert tons. I find it quite poetic that we managed to turn something so inert, with some ingenuity, into something that powers our lives. I think we can do the same with things we don't really value today, like trash, to make a meaningful change. Thank you very much.